Have you ever wondered what Homes Under the Hammer would be like if you ordered it from Wish?
There's nothing here yet.
Morning guys, it's me, and guess what day it is? It's unit day. Let's do it. We've got a lot to do. I've got to move everything out of my old unit into the new unit. You're coming along. I picked the keys up this morning. I'm gonna go and get Ronnie and Reggie together, get Reggie on the back of Ronnie, and we're gonna go down and I'll give you a tour of the unit when we get there. Go get yourselves a brew, go get yourselves a beer, and I will see you at the unit in about 2 seconds.
Who wants to see inside then? We're here, look. Ooh, do you remember this? And last time I could only show you that. We've got the keys. I feel like a proper grown up. Look at this, I've got fire stuff to do. Here we go. This is going to be my office. This is it. I like it. Oh, it's a nice space. I'm going to get a carpet. But are you ready? This is what it's all about through here. Whoa, get ready. Look at that. Look at it. Oh my God, honestly. Oh God, I could just cry. This is literally... We've even got a kitchen area. Look at this. There's nothing here yet. Oh my God, honestly. We've got disabled access. We've got our own toilet. Look at this. This is not gonna be like a mechanic's toilet. It is gonna be a clean toilet. Oh God, honestly. The bottom line is we're in. Do you know what else I'm gonna do? I'm converting that to like a lounge area up there. So that's gonna be boxed off. That's gonna be a lounge with a TV so that I can chill up there and have it as like a restroom. But look at this. Look at this floor. I could literally eat my dinner off this floor. Guys, this is a game changer. This is literally the channel just gonna go, got something to show you. Get ready. Are you ready for this? With my electric door. Get ready. Look who it is. The boys are home. Reggie and Ronnie back together. It does look a little bit like an Indian train, this truck at the moment, but I had to do the whole move in one go with one vehicle. It's getting really nasty down at the unit that I was up before, so I just literally had to just go. Had to get everything and go, which is why everything's just kind of done. But nothing's fallen off, luckily. Yeah, the toolbox is literally strapped on. I just can't get over it. Right, let's start getting vehicles in. I think I'm going to be the first to use the facilities. I don't know why just using a toilet is such a big thing. So I need to come up with a bit of a plan, really. I need to come up with a plan of where all the vehicles are going to go. Yeah, Reggie's going to need his own space at the back because that's going to be the one that I'm working on the most. But I also need that Cavalier in here being worked on. And then I also could do with Penny, Ronnie, Reggie. We've just got to start getting vehicles in and see how we get on, haven't we? I should have done this before I laid on the floor. Reggie's in, and all his bits are on the back. So there we go, that's his new home. And this is where we're going to transform it into something that you're all going to come and see at shows. Right, on to the next one.
Sure, I've been waiting for you to tell me you can take me home.
two down. So the V8 is in and the V6. Look, the Cavalier's looking all right, you know. I tell you what, it probably doesn't on camera, but considering it's just sat still for 3 years, hasn't moved, it's a bit of a hassle getting that wheel there unlocked. But anyway, new home, it's in the dry. I've opened the doors just to try and let it dehumidify in there a little bit. And this is going to be my quick turnaround. So if anyone is interested in this, let me know in the comments. I'm going to get this turned around really quickly. Full MOT, brakes are going to get changed. I'm going to get everything working, including those gauges. Remember them? So we'll get all that done and get this sold. And that is going to fund some more work on this. Right, next thing is, oh, there's Malcolm. Malcolm!
What's this then? What is it?
So next is Charlie. We'll get Charlie in here. How have I always got a dirty face? We'll get Charlie in here, then Ronnie, and then go for a beer. Celebratory beer. Right, guys, that's the end of the day. It is dark o'clock, night time. There you go, see. Right, that doesn't look dark at all. Right, we're all in. So I know I said I was going to get Charlie. I totally forgotten that Lenny, the Discovery's got his MOT tomorrow. I'm going to need Charlie at home to take Charlie home. So Lenny's going into the garage in a second, and then I'm going to take Charlie back to the air. The boys are here, they're safe. So we've got Ronnie's obviously there, Ronnie and Reggie back together, and we've got the Cavalier. We're not naming the Cavalier because if you name things, it's like when you have animals that you're going to eat, you should never name them.
Before you all start thinking this wet wipe is about to make a Malcolm sandwich, he meant pigs and cows, not dogs and cats. Malcolm would taste disgusting anyway.
That's going to be up for sale soon. I've started to get my tools and stuff in here, need some shelving. If you know anybody that's giving away any stuff or anything for a garage, hit me up in the comments. I will come and collect. I do want some artwork on the wall over there. I think that would be quite cool. Certainly the Fighting Talk logo. Thank you for coming along. I know it's only been a bit of a boring one, hasn't it? Nothing. No one's in fields, no one's in ditches. But yeah, this is our new home. I can lie on the floor, I can eat my dinner off the floor, and I won't get a bowler. And my boys are safe. No fuel getting nicked from here, no tools getting stolen. We've tested the alarm works, so we're all good. I'm really chuffed, really happy. And I feel like this is the future. This is us, onwards and upwards. So thank you for coming along on my journey. I hope you have a great week. I will see you on the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long.